Hi, this is Maker Mark with a new project. In fact, I'm not talking to you, I'm reading a text in this new data glasses display. This small device is based on an idea from Alain's projects from 2016, which still required a lot of soldering. Today, however, there are microcontrollers from the XIAO series from Seed Studio, quite small. The data glasses only contain the controller, a rechargeable battery and a mini display. The image is brought directly to the eye via a mirror and a lens. The field of vision is not as restricted as you might think. The whole thing is controlled by an app on the mobile phone. Theoretically, you can display anything. Text, messages, incoming phone calls, time, compass, you name it. The XIAO NRF 52840 Sense also has a microphone input for voice commands. So have a look at my projects and realize your own devices. See you!